Okay, continuing, the next topic for revision is accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of partner. Admission of a new partner. What is the treatment of goodwill? The goodwill at the time of admission of partner, different cases are there. The first one is when the goodwill is paid privately to the old partners. When the goodwill is paid privately outside the business to the old partners, my dear, no journal entry is passed for this. No journal entry is passed for this because it is paid privately. No need to record it in the books, right? Whatever you may say, दो नंबर का क्या? Outside means they do not want to show it in the books of account. Privately, हाँ उसमें लिखा होता है. Goodwill is paid privately, right, by the incoming partner. So no journal entry. Number two, when the new partner brings a share of goodwill in cash. When the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash and it is retained by the old partners in the firm, right? So journal entry note करिए. What would be the journal entry when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash along with capital? For example, here in case of this, where A and B are partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2, new partner is admitted, right? And for 1/4 share, case is one, case number one, he brings rupees 2 lakh as capital as his share of capital and rupees 50,000 as a share goodwill.
तो जैसे हम टोटल फैमिली गुडविल दिए उसका शेयर निकालना पड़ेगा जैसे टोटल फैमिली गुडविल दिया तो उसका शेयर निकालना पड़ेगा.
So journal entry past will be bank account debit to seize capital account. He brings in 2,50,000. 2 lakh as his share of goodwill, capital and 50,000 as his share of goodwill. Now this goodwill will be shared by A and B in their sacrificing ratio. This was case number one. Sacrificing ratio was old ratio. We calculated premium for goodwill account debit. It is his share, his installment of total goodwill of the firm. That is why premium. It is not total goodwill of the firm. It is part of total goodwill of the firm which he has brought as his share, 1/4. तो टोटल गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म इसका मतलब 2 लाख है, तो उसको 1/4 उसमें से लेके आया है शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. तो जो वो 50,000 लेके आया है will be distributed to A's and to B's capital accounts in the ratio हो गया। इन sacrificing सही है ना, 30-20। Is it clear? It will be credited in old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio because they have sacrificed. Because of the admission of this partner, they are losing some share of their profit, and because they are losing, they are sacrificing, the new partner is compensating them, कुछ पैसे दे रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, ये मेरी तरफ से कंपनसेशन।
अरे तो ये ध्यान नहीं रखना कि अगर भोले महीने की करेगी तो ओल्ड ही सेक्रीफाइस होता है पहला केस।
सर कैमरा
पता है कि ये फर्स्ट केस है और उसके हिसाब से ये सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो सेम होगा जो कि ओल्ड रेशियो होता है। ऑल्सो इफ गुडविल इज ऑलरेडी अपियरिंग इन द बुक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, उसको भी नोट करिए। व्हेन गुडविल इज ऑलरेडी अपियरिंग इन द बुक, अभी ये जो है ना, if the partner suppose withdraw some of the goodwill, कर ले जाते हैं, तो इसके अपोजिट एंट्री होगी A's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, B's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक। ठीक है, वो भी नोट करो। ये तो है when it is retained in the business, it is retained in the business। Very slow। If the goodwill is taken away by the partners, then A's capital account debit, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account, it is withdrawn by the partners. It is withdrawn by the partners. Suppose half is withdrawn. Half. Oh. उनमें ऐसा करते हैं, आधी यार विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, बाकी लगी रहने देते हैं फॉर्म में। ठीक है ना? Half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the partners. And one more case. If the information is given in the question that at the time of admission of partner, goodwill already appearing in the book, goodwill already appearing in the book. When goodwill is already appearing in the book, at the time of admission of partner, it should be written off. It should be written off by debiting old partner's capital account. By debiting old partner's capital account in what ratio? Old ratio, not in the new ratio. मतलब न्यू पार्टनर के आने से पहले बैलेंस शीट में कुछ गुडविल अपीयर हो रही है एसेट में, तो जब नया पार्टनर आएगा, ओल्ड पार्टनर पहले उस गुडविल को वहां से क्या करेंगे? राइट ऑफ करेंगे, हटाएंगे, बिकॉज गुडविल तो कुछ नहीं है ना, इट इज इंटेंजिबल एसेट। न्यू पार्टनर शुड नॉट सफर। उसको भी फिर जो है ये 50,000 मान लीजिए शो हो रही है, तो 50,000 तो कुछ है नहीं वहां पर, आप 1 लाख शो कर लीजिए गुडविल इंटेंजिबल। बट when the new partner will admit that 50,000 should not be shown there, which is not there actually, but it is there shown as an asset for temporary adjustment. तो वो 50,000 जब हटाएंगे asset side से, तो तो लाइबिलिटी साइड में इनकी कैपिटल कम हो जाएगी उतनी, इनकी ए एंड बी की। ए एंड बी उससे पहले पार्टनर थे, फर्म के मालिक थे, उन्होंने उसको क्रिएट किया था, वही उसको बियर करेंगे, राइट? द लॉजिक शुड बी क्लियर. सो इट शुड बी रिटन ऑफ already appearing goodwill in the books at the time of the admission of partners should be written off in the old ratio amongst the old partners by debiting their account, by debiting their, क्या जनरल एंट्री होगी? एज, बल्कि ये इसी एग्जांपल में लेंगे तो एज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, बीच कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल, और नहीं तो ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, वो तो टोटल गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म है ना. ए suppose the goodwill appearing in the books was 60,000. कितना? 60,000. कितनी कितनी हो जाएगी 3:2 में?
सर कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे कर लेते हैं.
जी जी पता है मुझे. ऑल रेशियो 3:2. 24. Goodwill appearing in the books at the time of admission of partner is 60,000. At the time of admission is 60,000. So it should be written off in the old partners account by debiting their account in the old ratio, which was 3:2. 60,000 in 3:2. हाँ, जब कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाओगे उसके डेबिट साइड में लिखोगे टू गुडविल, उसके डेबिट साइड में लिखोगे टू गुडविल, और क्रेडिट साइड में बाय सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट. जो नई गुडविल आई थी, जो लेके आया था नया पार्टनर, उसको जो है आपने दोनों पार्टनर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, उसमें से जो वो ये ले गए वापस, ये डेबिट साइड में फिर दिखाओगे. तो कितना ट्रीटमेंट है गुडविल के? बहुत ट्रीटमेंट है. अभी तो वो है when the new partner does not bring his goodwill in cash, current account. So there are many cases, but for today these very important things. जी जी जी, I hope it is clear.
Yes sir.
Of goodwill at the time of admission of partner, when he pays it privately, no journal entries. When he brings it in cash, huh? 1 mark में they may ask you. And when he brings it in cash, the journal entries we have just done, and try to solve some questions. I will give you one, and from your book try to solve the practical questions, so that you don't have any problem in the full length 8 marks question. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you sir.